Hi there, this is Atul Parikh, and I welcome you to DreamSitePro. In this demo video, I will show you how you can create your dream WordPress sites with AI in any niche in seconds. Alright, let's create your dream WordPress sites with AI in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Choose. To begin with, just choose a theme and template from our beautiful themes, 200 plus done-for-you templates, and 2,000 plus possible combinations in any niches. Step 2. Customize now. All you need to do is customize it to best match your business needs, update or modify the content as per your requirements, and get your website up and running. Step 3. Publish and profits. Now you can publish your services, products, or blogs, and you are all done. Also, you can use DreamSitePro to start a web design agency or serve your existing clients for their website requirements and make an all-time huge profit and recurring income. It does not require any installation, designing, or other techie stuff. With DreamSitePro, you have the power to create your dream WordPress websites effortlessly. Let's dive into the incredible features that make DreamSitePro your go-to website builder. CTA management, Google Maps, and feature-rich slider. Viral traffic with inbuilt social media tools. Workflow design and editor. Creating your website is a breeze with DreamSitePro's intuitive workflow design and editor. Customize every aspect of your site with ease, from layout to typography, all in one seamless interface. Drag and drop editor. No coding skills? No problem. Our drag and drop editor empowers you to design visually stunning websites without touching a single line of code. 200 plus designer-made templates. Choose from over 200 professionally designed templates, crafted by our team of designers to suit every niche and style. 100 plus widgets. Enhance your website's functionality with our extensive library of over 100 widgets. From contact forms to social media feeds, we've got you covered. Mobile responsive editing. We ensure your website looks flawless on every device with our mobile responsive editing tools. Seamlessly optimize your site for mobile viewing with just a few clicks. Beautiful sliders to engage and wow visitors. Showcase your content in style and keep your audience coming back for more. Elementor and WordPress. DreamSitePro seamlessly integrates with Elementor and WordPress, giving you endless possibilities for customization and design. Explore our full website kits, pre-designed and ready to use. Get your site up and running in minutes with our curated collections of templates and elements. Import-export. Easily import and export your website designs with our import-export feature. Global fonts, global colors, theme style. Maintain consistency across your website with global fonts, colors, and theme styles. Effortlessly update your site's look and feel with just a few clicks. Seamless WooCommerce integration. Top autoresponder integration. Built-in SEO drive organic traffic to your site with built-in SEO tools. Embed YouTube, Vimeo videos. Elevate your content with embedded videos from YouTube, Vimeo. Keep your audience engaged and entertained with rich multimedia experiences. 100% ADA, GDPR, spam compliant free, 2 million searchable stock images, videos, and vectors right at your fingertips. Find the perfect assets to bring your vision to life. Team management. Efficiently manage your team with DreamSitePro's robust team management features. Best part is commercial license included. Create websites for clients and charge them. And the most important thing is, we will manage customer support for you and your clients as well. Sounds amazing. Yeah, it is. So that's all about DreamSitePro. I am Atul Parikh, thanking you to being with me. See you on the inside members area.